Hey everyone, welcome back to another video by Simplilearn.
Craving a career upgrade? Subscribe, like, and comment below. Dive into the link in the description to fast-track your ambitions. Whether you're making a switch or aiming higher, Simplilearn has your back.
Did you know that the demand for skilled agile experts is booming? Yep, it's true. A big 55% of companies are ready to pay top dollar for certified agile professionals like CSPS. And here's the kicker. CSPS make an impressive $105,000 per year on average, according to PayScale.com. Big-name companies, including those in the Fortune 500 club, are searching high and low for CSPO talent. They understand that having CSPS on their team means smoother, more efficient agile product development. So if you're looking for a career boost, becoming a CSPO could be your ticket to success. In this video, we're going beyond basics to uncover what the Certified Scrum Product Owner is. We'll start by explaining the Scrum Methodology, a key framework for teamwork. Ever wondered about the role of the product owner? We'll break it down for you. But here's the kicker. Anyone with team leadership skills can become a Certified Scrum Product Owner CSPO, discover the perks of CSPO certification, and learn about the daily tasks involved. Ready to take the plunge? We'll guide you through the process of becoming a CSPO step by step. Plus, we'll cover how long the certification lasts and what you need to renew it. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. So what is Scrum Methodology? Scrum Methodology is an agile project management framework that emphasizes collaboration, iterative progress, and adaptability. Teams using Scrum work in short cycles called sprints to deliver parts of a project. Scrum is based on transparency, inspection, and adaptation, allowing teams to learn from each other and adjust their approach as they go. Here's how it works in simple terms. Roles. There are three main roles: the product owner, who makes sure the work is valuable; the Scrum Master, who helps the team follow Scrum; and the team members who do the work. After that, product backlog. This is a list of all the work or features that need to be done. Then there is sprints. The team picks a small chunk of work from the backlog and commits to completing it within a sprint. Next is daily stand-up. Every day, the team meets quickly to update each other on their progress. Next one is sprint review. At the end of the sprint, the team shows what they've completed. After that, sprint retrospective. The team discusses what went well, what didn't, and how they can improve for the next sprint. It's all about delivering valuable work frequently and efficiently, with everyone on the team having a clear role and working closely together. This was about Scrum Methodology. Now let's understand about Product Owner. Product Owner is a key role responsible for representing the customer's needs and ensuring the team builds the right product. They prioritize tasks, define features, and make decisions about what the team should work on next. Essentially, they act as the voice of the customer within the development process, guiding the team to create a product that meets user requirements and delivers value. They collaborate closely with a Scrum team, consisting of developers and a Scrum Master, to ensure that the team focuses on delivering features that provide the most value to the customer. So as we have understood about the Scrum methodology, now let's learn about who is a Scrum Product Owner. In the Scrum framework, the Scrum Product Owner has more specific role in ensuring the team delivers a valuable product. While they share some general responsibilities with traditional product owners, Scrum provides a specific context for their work. Key responsibilities. First is product backlog management. As with any product owner, they own and manage the product backlog. This includes creating, refining, and prioritizing backlog items that represent the work needed to achieve the product vision. Next is stakeholder voice. The Scrum Product Owner serves as the voice of the stakeholders within the Scrum team. They gather and represent stakeholder needs and ensure those needs are reflected in the product backlog. Third is Scrum Framework Champion. This is where the Scrum context comes in. The product owner actively participates in Scrum ceremonies like sprint planning and backlog refinement. They collaborate closely with the Scrum Master to ensure the team follows Scrum principles and practices. Now let's understand who can become CSPO. The CSPO course is designed to be accessible and valuable for individuals from various backgrounds, making it a great fit for anyone interested in deepening their understanding of product ownership within the Scrum framework. But it is more suitable for anyone interested in the business side of product or service development. This includes, but is not limited to, product managers, business analysts, project managers, data analysts, Scrum team members. This course is open to anyone who wants to learn the skills that are in high demand right now for product development. If you work with Scrum, this course will teach you how to be a great product owner within that framework. Now let's have a look at benefits of CSPO certification. The benefits of obtaining a Certified Scrum Product Owner CSPO certification. First we have is understanding of Scrum. With CSPO certification, you'll really get what Scrum is all about and how being a product owner fits into it. This means you'll know how to use Scrum methods and ideas to make teamwork better, get more done, and make better products. Second is product backlog management. CSPO teaches you how to keep a list of all the things your product needs in order of importance. You'll learn how to make sure this list helps the team focus on what's most important and delivers what the customers want most. At number third, we have is professional growth. Getting and keeping your CSPO certification shows employers that you're always learning and getting better at your job. It tells them you're up to date with the latest skills and techniques in product development, which can help you move up in your career. After that, customer-centric approach. CSPO teaches you to always think about what the customer wants and needs. By listening to customers and making sure the product meets their expectations, you can make them happier and keep them coming back for more. Last is global recognition. When you become CSPO certified, people everywhere know that you're really good at being a product owner. It's like having a badge that says, "I know my stuff." This can help you find great job opportunities no matter where you are in the world. Day-to-day responsibilities of CSPO. The day-to-day responsibilities of a Certified Scrum Product Owner CSPO as outlined on the official Scrum Alliance website include defining the product vision, establishing a clear vision for the product to guide the development team and stakeholders. Next is managing the product backlog, creating, prioritizing, and refining the product backlog items to ensure they align with the product vision and goals. Third is making decisions, making informed decisions about trade-offs, order, and scope to maximize the value of the product. Fourth is keeping the customer at the center, maintaining a relentless focus on customer value and ensuring that the customer's needs are at the forefront of the product development process. Next is bridging the gap, acting as a bridge between stakeholders and product developers to ensure a mutual understanding of the product direction and requirements. So these were the day-to-day responsibilities. Now coming to how to become a CSPO. So if you want to get started with your CSPO certification journey then, take some time to explore the Agile Manifesto. Explore the Agile Manifesto. First, take a look at the Agile Manifesto. It's like the guiding principles for how Agile teams work together to make awesome stuff. After that, find a certification training course. Look for a training course that teaches you all about being a product owner in the Scrum framework. You can opt for Certified Scrum Product Owner CSPO certification training by Simplilearn. You will get over 16 hours of live instructor-led sessions and engage in hands-on learning with games, role plays, simulations, and case studies. You can also earn a prestigious Scrum Alliance certificate and 2-year membership while enjoying the assurance of guaranteed live sessions on specified dates if you go for Advanced CSPO. You can find the course links of these certifications in the description box. Now let's talk about the process to get Advanced CSPO certification. Step 1. Enroll for the 16 hours live training course by Simplilearn and attend the informative sessions conducted by Scrum Alliance certified trainers. Step 2. Upon successful completion of the course, accept a license agreement from Scrum Alliance. Step 3. On accepting the license agreement, you can download the CSPO certificate, and then you have become a certified CSPO. Now coming to certification validity and renewal. The Certified Scrum Product Owner CSPO certification has a validity of 2 years. To maintain your certification, you must renew it by earning and submitting Scrum Education Unit SUs and paying a renewal fee. For a CSPO, the renewal fee is $175, and for CSPO, the renewal fee is $100. Next is time duration for certification. The time duration to become a Certified Scrum Product Owner CSPO involves attending a course that typically lasts for 2 days. This can be a 16-hour in-person course or a 16-hour live online virtual course. Upon completion of the course, participants receive their CSPO certification, which is valid for 2 years. As we wrap up our discussion on the CSPO certification, let's recap what we've learned. The CSPO certification equips individuals with the skills and knowledge to excel as Scrum product owners, serving as the bridge between stakeholders and development teams. Whether you're a product manager, business analyst, project manager, data analyst, or part of a Scrum team, CSPO certification is for you. By becoming certified, you gain global recognition and validate your expertise in Agile and Scrum practices. Alright guys, with that we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I hope it really helped you all. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and keep learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.